You are going to love the 2020 C-Class. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link front suspension type, strut, rear fog light, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, multifunction display, child safety locks, touch sensitive controls, one-touch windows, 4.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.